Welcome to London, the capital city of the United Kingdom and one of the most visited cities in the world. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of London and show you some of the top attractions that you should visit during your trip. We'll start our tour at Trafalgar Square, the heart of London. This public square is home to the famous Nelson's Column and is surrounded by some of the city's most iconic landmarks, including the National Gallery, St. Martin in the Fields Church, and the Admiralty Arch. From Trafalgar Square, we will make our way to one of London's most recognizable landmarks, the Tower Bridge. This iconic suspension bridge spans the River Thames and is a popular spot for tourists to take photos. Just a short walk from the Tower Bridge is the Tower of London, a historic fortress that dates back to the 11th century. Here, you can see the crown jewels, explore the medieval castle, and even meet the resident ravens. No trip to London would be complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. If you time your visit right, you can watch the changing of the guard ceremony, a traditional display of pomp and pageantry that takes place daily during the summer months. A taste of London's vibrant cultural scene, head to Covent Garden. This historic market and entertainment district is filled with street performers, boutique shops, and some of the city's best restaurants. A taste of London's alternative scene, head to the Camden Market. This vibrant and eclectic market is filled with independent shops, vintage stalls, and street food vendors. And for a night out on the town, there's no better place than London's West End. This entertainment district is home to some of the world's best theaters, where you can catch a Broadway-style musical or a classic play. And after the show, you can enjoy a drink at one of the many bars and restaurants that line the streets. A unique view of the city. Take a trip to the Greenwich Observatory. This historic site is located on a hill overlooking the Thames and offers stunning views of the city skyline. And while you're here, you can also learn about the history of timecaping and see the Prime Meridian, the line that divides the Earth's eastern and western hemispheres. And finally, for a taste of the bohemian side of London, head to the Notting Hill neighborhood. This colorful and eclectic area is home to charming Victorian houses, quirky independent shops, and the famous Portobello Road Market, where you can find everything from vintage clothing to antiques and collectibles. And of course, no visit to London is complete without a ride on a red double-decker bus. You can even take a river cruise along the Thames to see some of the city's famous landmarks from a different perspective. And when it comes to food and drink, London has something to offer for everyone. From traditional English pubs serving fish and chips and a pint of beer to trendy cafes and Michelin-starred restaurants, London has it all. We'll start our tour at the Houses of Parliament, one of the most iconic landmarks of the city. This historic building is home to the UK's government and has been the site of many important events in British history. Art lovers will want to check out the Tate Modern, one of the world's most famous contemporary art galleries. Here, you can explore a vast collection of modern and contemporary art, including works by some of the biggest names in the art world. And for those looking for a lively cultural experience, we'll check out the Notting Hill Carnival, a colorful celebration of Caribbean culture that takes place every August. Here, you can enjoy live music, dance, and delicious food, all while taking in the vibrant and diverse atmosphere of London's streets. We'll take a ride on the iconic London Eye, getting an unparalleled view of the city's skyline as it comes alive with a kaleidoscope of lights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through London, one of the most exciting and dynamic cities in the world. We hope you've enjoyed exploring all that London has to offer, and we can't wait to see you here in person. And there you have it, in an in-depth tour of London's top attractions and hidden gems. With so much to see and do in this incredible city, we hope you're feeling inspired to plan your next trip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in London soon.